When I decided to pursue a summer internship, I immediately thought of Syncfusion. I hope to work in the IT field, so a software component company was the perfect fit for my academic and professional interests. Syncfusion serves a wide variety of customers, from individual developers to huge teams of programmers at Fortune 500 companies. I knew that Syncfusion's commitment to supporting a wide range of software developers was something I wanted to be a part of. I hope to find an internship that would allow me to gain practical knowledge and exercise my problem-solving skills. Coursework is important, but you can only go so far in the classroom. To truly build your skill set, you need hands-on experience so you can apply what you've learned to real-world problems. At Syncfusion, I sharpened my problem-solving skills by completing several Salesforce projects, observing technical support calls, and sorting large quantities of data into clear, easy-to-read reports. I also wrote regular expressions for the legal team to sort through software licenses more efficiently and decide which software could be sold commercially. The projects I completed forced me to change my mindset to see the big picture and to think about problems from a business perspective. For example, I learned that when I created a Salesforce report to organize certain pieces of information, it wasn't enough to simply find and display that information. I also need to think about the people who'd be using the report, the kinds of information that would be useful for them to see, and how I could organize the report so that the most important pieces of information would be easy to find. My projects helped me analyze questions from different viewpoints that I hadn't thought about in the past. I learned a lot about the IT field from my internship, but just as importantly, I gained confidence in myself. I now feel more prepared for the challenges I'll meet in future classes, internships, and job opportunities. I also learned a whole new appreciation for teamwork. Every day, my team members and I worked with each other to brainstorm and problem solve. This showed me how important it is to work together and to listen to other people's ideas. Collaborating with others helps both you and your teammates produce the best work. Part of the reason my internship was such a great experience is that Syncfusion really took the time to learn what my goals were and what I hope to gain from my time at the company. On my first day, I sat down and made a written list of goals I wanted to achieve over the summer, and I recently looked back at the list now that my internship is coming to an end, and I'm proud to say that I achieved every one of them. My team leaders designed projects that taught me the skills I wanted to develop, and they trained me to succeed not only in this internship, but also in future courses and job opportunities. It was a pleasure to intern with Syncfusion this summer. The lessons I learned will help me succeed in both my academic and professional careers, and I'm truly thankful for everyone who made this such a rewarding experience.